My name is Mr. Joe Pama Diouf. I'm an English teacher and I'm currently teaching in Badrambai Kaba Junior Secondary School in the subscription of Inspection of Grand Dakar. First of all, I find it very interesting. Everything we've done today is very interesting and is very beneficial to our professional development. But I think my takeout of this day is how to research some teaching resources for professional development, for lesson plans, how to deal with tips of teachings also. I feel myself very confident because in my own experience, a teacher who is fond of using new technologies tools in my teaching. But I should confess that when using them, I'm just trying to do my best, but sometimes I encounter some problem because I do not master the resources. But with the training session I have had today, I think it is going to help me better my researches and better my teaching with new technologies tools.